After processing, bauxite can be used to manufacture cement, refractory materials, but also can be used in aluminium industry, non-ferrous metal smelting and abrasives industry. The material can be pressed by the ball press, granulation or ball pressing, reduce dust, control bulk density, return to use, improve transportation characteristics. The advantages of bauxite ball press: a reasonable structure, smooth operation, low energy consumption, selection of high-quality high-alloy steel forgings with high strength and wear resistance, and easy-to-drop ball and groove specifications and shape according to user requirements. Processing: custom, high-pressure molding, no need to add binder, only rely on their own strong pressure, can be formed, pressed out of the spherical product. Density, strength, hardness are high, small power consumption, compact structure, to achieve a high rate of pellet formation.